Maxxon offers, I think, up to 5 AIA presentations currently. They range from anywhere to do with moisture mitigation in concrete slabs, all the way up to mass timber AIA presentations, which goes over fire and sound considerations when specifying Gyp-Crete and sound attenuation mats. So Maxxon offers both virtual and in-person AIA presentations, depending on either what the architect would like to see or what's convenient for the rep as well. The way we present and the way we go about it, it is meant to engage the architect and bring up questions and answers that are not often given until the time of install. So it's a great move to see these AIA presentations because, one, it gets answers in early design stages, which often lead to faster construction times, less headaches during construction, and all the above.